Good morning, guys. Dr. George Michael here. Gaining weight, feeling lethargicity, indifference to the loved ones, kind of skin irritation, menstrual irregularities, either losing the weight or gaining too much of weight, and kind of feel very giddy feeling very often, and disturbed sleeps, and feeling very weak, losing the appetite, not able to think, not active in the working area, and especially in the family area, you feel very moody. And few symptoms. What could you think could be the reason? If you go back, there could be many reasons for this. Generally, when you think these symptoms to a female, it could be related to maybe hypothyroidism or hyperthyroidism. And most of the time, people neglect the symptoms in the initial phase. They think that like body will be able to recover. They tend to recover itself. So okay, no need of medications. By the time the disease reaches to a certain prognosis level, so people has to cling on to certain medications. That means stimulus. Okay, and once you start those medications, it's very difficult to come back. You start to become dependent. You start to become habit forming of certain chemical medications, and you feel that you're stuck in certain path. So my intention, the very simple, any deviation from your health, no neglect in the initial phase. It could be minor things. It could be like you may feel that it may not be important today right now, but be alert so that those symptoms will not long last for more than 1 week. So today's my topic is, how do you maintain the thyroid health? Once you start on this medication called L-Troxin, Thyroxine, Thyronam, certain bands are there, you start become habit forming certain drugs. That means your body itself tend to depend on the drugs. It is not you, your body cells, maybe thyroid cells start becoming dependent on those cells, and later on you will come to a stage that you will have to do some certain changes in your diet. So it's better along with the certain medications, okay, make a lot of change in your diet. That's very important. See, what our body required, very simple. Our body required the macro supplements and micro supplements. The macro supplements, what we eat the food. Say for example, generally South India they eat rice. Suppose if you go to the North India, they eat a lot of wheat products, okay, and if you consider non-veg, they like a lot of maybe the red meat. It has content of 50% of protein and 50% of DHT hormone, that is called dihydrotestosterone hormones. So here basically you need to make a lot of diet modifications, okay. And if you take the homeopathic medicine along with the regular medications, say for example, if the person hypothyroidism, generally he takes the medication L-Troxin, it's advisable to take homeopathic medication alongside. Don't stop this medication immediately, because there are certain things, withdrawal symptoms start coming, because till now the cells or the body cells start depending on those medications, those stimulus. You cannot just suddenly stop those medications. The certain homeopathic drugs are there which will make a correction in the metabolic function of a certain system. So slowly, as you consult your homeopathic doctors, again I'll come back, you meet a doctor who clearly practice homeopathic practice. I mean to say the classical homeopaths, who is really committed on the patient's health. See here, when you come to homeopathic medicines, two things you need to remember. One thing is, there should be a clear follow-up. Patient should be contact with the doctor every once in a 10 to 15 days, either via mobiles or the video conferences, and something like that, because that is the follow-up very important. That is something called, we give the regular medications, the constitutional medicines, the miasmatic remedies, and there are certain complementary medications. Those only a clear homeopathic doctor can analyze and follow up with the patients. Thanks once again. Have a wonderful day.